Yeah, it's a pleasure to greet you. We are back to this moment in which we can carry on the teaching, which is the words of beloved that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. It's the number 16, that is the teaching that we are going to follow today. Yeah, we are back to this moment in which we can carry on the teaching. It's the teaching that we are going to follow today is the number 16, and the title of the teaching is Elia must baptize you when you were convinced, and I have to continue it, in order for you to be saved, and then you will never commit sin anymore. And that's it, you must be baptized. So why you must be baptized? What is the reason of that? Yes, when once you are convinced, yeah, sorry, the law is make the nations as disciples and baptize them. So let's read that word. Like make all the nations disciples and then baptize them according to the book of